Sam George DSTV now also what it is no. Charlie, which can crocodile the John movements be that? Charlie. Ghana politicians it be like Ghana for now because we know they ask questions. We any ane tete ho ne aye din. Omo mu gina ban no so no. Omo ye kakra bi. Yes say Sam George. Ye ton cocoa 5 cedi. Cocoa no bo edin. Into cocoa no monte so mai. Hey, edin on beti so. Me make sure some beti so because Nigeria for cocoa no e wo form. Enti on beti so I promise Ghanaians. Then assemble the see ya. She see asem person ma catch am say Cocoa de into so be name no. Oto no, oto aye the kosi we kan. Sam George anka say ye pe kosi. My cocoa na not sumai. So when you are on the former compact, then now you get 30 more channels. Sam George just raw channel be any we are say does TikTok. We know how many channels are TikTok.
TikTok you call me with you.
DSTV no monte so na more data no money ni stable na monte data so channels and the aka nyina be here TikTok. TV station be ni wa eh the same TikTok sisi a. Inti say monte yempe na DSTV na apart from born then you here also. More than 30 more channels by count. Born on here also. Yempe 30 more channels. We want a reduction. With all honesty, I'm not happy with this kind of bargain. It looks as if anytime the politician gets the opportunity to bargain on behalf of its citizens, no, not quite to say some selfish interest be also selfish personal interest be they go in with 90% of their personal interest. Now, oh Charlie. Oh, Brass Sam George, this one, I don't know. This particular one, it no be reduction. We can't call this a reduction. No.
That is not what Sam George you promised us. That is not what the minister promised us. It is a work of failure. Master, tell the people of Ghana that, look, I did not succeed. I hit a rock. There was something that you wanted to do, you could not do it. But don't turn around to come and tell us that you have achieved more than what you wanted to achieve. Dabi. Yes, Anna, no dosu. Because I'm seeking a reduction in the prices I'm paying. That has not happened. I was not seeking increase in the packages. That is not what everyone was complaining about. I am very disappointed. Very, very disappointed. Whoa. Your opinion, and I think that we should learn this condo. Oh yeah, it be a and then you go and you don't succeed. You can say that countrymen and women, what I wanted to achieve, I could not achieve. But to come and tell us you did not achieve what you wanted, but what you wanted was less than what you have succeeded, no? I think that it was
okay. So, what can I subscribers?
Sam George and DSTV. Me say me ko Kumasi. Driver na say uko Kumasi a mejo 200 cedis. And I'm sending boarding. Driver na say there be odetenem. Na o tracker num ni edu Kumasi a metime de watwam kra komankranso. Me du betwam akomankranso. Na se mato so no. Na anya bia me ka che driver say me ko ede omankranso. Men can't make come and crash. So, Messi, me cook massy. And crash, so you massy fee. Honorable Sam George. Oh, what status I do? Me catch it. Me, you're sure? Me can say, I'm share me Facebook. Me try to Facebook can say, Honorable Ghana phone, you know, Tawachi, the one only DSTV for kono. Because men so mentias ye the entire DSTV for Ghana for scanner, Omojieno. It was a good cause. But to approach, you know, they are wrong. Me try to Facebook into be our come Facebook will be our as my making yeah as I'm for and yeah first time I'm making as I say. Media in as much as many ya drain say DSTV for Bugana for no approach no wrong. And the minister saw by a press conference or by and say you know or more by mine 30 to 40%. May take 30 to 40%. The main chance of materials reduction. After them I say 30 to 40% a content upgrade. It be back to a compact plaza automatically upgrade you and food. And I'm saying, into more food bouquet, so you better get your market. Package, you know, who food bouquet, it means that who access to BB at DSTV for show. And this is a food bouquet. Now, as I will say, Obama me content upgrade of 30 to 40%. I know me be ready. Dear the Baba, I did the Baba come. Honorable, wait, I'm Ghana for a pow. Hey, wait, pa, there. My first impression, pan, I'm Ghana for you. Then he said, Papa, he said, I will see an idiot. And the idea is for one moment to swear you. Say, one there, body. Casa qua. Anabu Jata. Anabu Jata. Yay! Erade. Said the Jatan is boom, the Ananka and Mrs. Abri. Ah, Kabibiau. Ah, and now surprising the NT house you. Almost 1 week now, 1 week at Chino. I feel there. And a Nigeria for the N pirating, you know, and a ABC Anona. Obian Suma. Obian Suma. GTP cry. Oh, free to comfort as you could judge China from. Hey, Honorable Sam George. But Honorable to me, Mum Ghana for anybody who buy your package in a 7 year. Yes, moment so. Send a wow, see kind. Say, I told you 3 years, so we won't accept anything less than that. Over to you.
Bernard, I don't think that, again, I told you that we looked at the demographics and we know where a bulk of the customers are. Some of the people who are 865, I'm a premium customer, okay? I can choose to remain at 865.
Fair enough. Second point, just a second point.
Yeah.
Do you need to do anything? Today is 29th.
Yes.
Wednesday is 1st October.
Yes.
Do you need to do anything to benefit from this?
No.
Because in their June iteration, one was supposed to pay for this to be activated.
So I've heard people say that this is nothing new. DSTV has done this before. That's not correct. And that's why in the press statement I did, I said this is unprecedented in DSTV's own marketing models. Because what DSTV has normally done is to say that you must be an active subscriber, you must renew before the expiration of your current subscription, and you enjoy it for only 1 month. And even in that...
Hold on. What I have here, let's be clear. Eligibility and upgrade. To participate in the promotion and quality for an upgrade to the next higher package, you must join the promo period, be active, new, or disconnected DSTV subscriber in Ghana. So this applies to all. So basically, this is it, 4.1.
New or disconnected?
Disconnected. It did it. 4.1. And then, so basically this promo, and by the way, this promo was in June 16 to July 31. So this applied across board.
No. So let's read it in full.
Okay.
It says you must be active, new, or disconnected. You must have make or have made payments in full for a package. You must join as a new DSTV subscriber to be entitled to the package, or you must be watching using an approved decoder. Now the difference with this, and again, be minded that this is package specific. I don't understand why anybody will have a problem if somebody wants to pay 865 to get into a raffle. Bernard, people go and bet on football matches and stake more than 1,000 Ghana cedi on one game. So if the person chooses to stake 865 cedis for a month, what's your problem? If you can't afford 865, there's 570. It still gives you the same value. So you can choose to pay 570 or choose to pay 865. Why you want us to say that no? And like I said, there are people who don't like Sam George, and so won't accept the reduction because it came from me. So they can pay the 865. Those who are patriotic citizens and appreciate the work of Abam Papa that is working for them will pay their 570 and still get their premium content.
Does this apply?
Look, let me also tell my brother Sam George, talk is cheap. Trust me, talk is very cheap. You can do all the talking, you can raise your muscles, do whatever, but trust me, people stand on the law. Investors, when they come into this country, they look for fine lawyers. Engage them. They look for fine consultants, marketing consultants, engage them. They look for tax experts, engage them. That's a serious investor's approach. So when you come out with threats, they don't care. They also go into the back room and consult their people. What do we do? What's the way? So it becomes a battle. So you need an approach that of course will also put you on top notch. And you were lucky because the public were with you.
Yeah.
So all you needed to do was to water the ground properly with the public. Okay, find a way of getting the public to issue statements through some, if like civil societies, saying that look, our interests ought to be served, otherwise we are all going off your boxes. When they see that, they say, then it means these guys are serious. You didn't do that work. All you did was, I will take you off. NCA is going to take you off by 1 month. We're going to do this.
I think there were some sanctions.
Only for you to come last minute, sit down and tell us that, oh, your bouquet, when you pay 865 Ghana cedis, you are now going to enjoy more channels.
When in reality,
That's
we know
more
that.
channel means the reduction.
But in reality, in Ghana, really, nobody's watching those other channels.
I'm coming to that.
Or watching
Me,
football.
my house, when I subscribe to DSTV, the best I get from is my kids watching cartoons. Because I don't even sit at home.
Right.
I'm traveling here and there. That's the best I may even get. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Either my wife watching Big Brother, whatever. Finish. That ends it. When you come, your best is to do your football. When there's a live match that you need to look
Or
at.
news
So
later in
apart
the
from that,
night.
when you coming to tell me now that there are going to be more channels for me, I don't even know what channels you are talking about.
True.
You get what I mean? So I think Sam George should take a cue from this. We, the young people in politics, coming up, with a great of respect, the exuberance should be checked. Don't try to do things to let your bosses feel you are working, only to disappoint them in the end.
Sometimes it's important to know if these actions have the blessing of the boss. Because you see, this was happening at a time where the boss, i.e. the president,
Yes.
was in Japan, Singapore, looking to woo investors into Ghana.
Good. So these are the things I'm talking about. You see, I mentioned bilateral relation between us and South Africa because South African companies come here, our companies go there, all this exchange, you understand? And I also mentioned that indeed the public is with you.
True.
And you needed to ensure that you carry the public along. Only for you now to come and tell us that our value is good. Is that what the public told you they wanted? Is that what we told you? We, the subscribers, that you're fighting for? Is that what we told you wanted? Extra bouquet, extra value? So I think Sam George should actually bow his head down. I'm going to be a bit harsh to him today. He's my good friend. Bow his head down in shame. For God's sake, he has not succeeded in anything. It's not an achievement.
Very well.
At all. It's not.